Over many years, I thought, like, what I'm doing, it's so weird. Nobody's gonna listen to that. But I found out I was wrong. Live performance is all about contrasts and reactions. I'm going to introduce you to my favorite techniques to create a really special experience for your audience and for yourself. If you set up your mix with this setting, from my experience, it helps a lot leveling bass line and kick drum, which anyway is the most important thing. I'll show you how I prepare my tracks to be played live and how I organize my loops and stems. We'll also go through my Max for Live custom devices that I've made to improve my live performance. It makes it possible to save the EQ setting together with the clip that's playing. I'm gonna give this for you to download and experiment with. Speaking about hardware, I had the chance to print these units here because I wanted to get away from the mouse. So if I press this button and turn this knob, I can control the cutoff frequency. If I want to separate the vocal, for example, I just turn the knob. Yeah, you don't want to sound like everybody else. And if you use the same tools like everybody else, you're more likely to sound like everybody else.